The problem with the market today, if you guys would have noticed, the price of the coin is retracing. What's happening and why is that the case today, Camiranda? The very first thing you need to remember is that, like what I've said, no, XRP, like what I've been saying for many years, the XRP price is driven by market sentiment. There is a market confusion today. The market is scared that, oh, it's gonna be moved to August 15. Therefore, there is an FUD happening today in the market. So why is the price going down? That's the question. So the short and long answer is the market is not educated. The market believes that the ruling on August 15 is inclusive of Judge Torres. They don't know that there has nothing to do. This request is basically to pause. The one that you're seeing right now in the headlines respectfully request that this court continue to hold the appeals in abeyance. Abeyance means a state of temporary disuse or suspension. It's gonna be August 15 already. There's nothing's gonna be happening now. We're gonna be delayed. That's what's happening today, and that's the reason why the market price of XRP is actually retracing, Camiranda.